A contractor wants to set up a slide for the children to play in the park. He wants to set it up at the height of 2 meters and by making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. What should be the length of the slide? Now this is the slide A, B, C. This is the slide and its height is 2 meters and it is making an angle 30 degrees with the ground. We should find that x. We know that BC is equal to height of the this slide is 2 meters and angle is 30 degrees and AC equal to x meters. Height of the slide is 2 meters. A, B, C, that is BC. Height of the slide BC equal to 2 meters. The length of let the length of the slide that is x meters, that is AC. Angle made by the slide with the ground is 30 degrees. This angle is 30 degrees. Angle BAC is equal to 30 degrees. We need to find that AC is x meters. Now we know that ABC, AB AC is equal to x meters and BC, we know that BC is equal to 2 meters. AC and BC, the angle BAC equal to 30 degrees. We need to find AC. So AC, we know that BC, AC by BC. We need to find AC, we know that BC, AC by BC. That is, we know AC is hypotenuse and BC is opposite side. Hypotenuse by opposite side is called cosec theta. Cosec, we can write this cosec 30 degrees. Cosec 30 equal to AC by BC. What is cosec 30? That equal to 2 equal to AC equal to x meters and BC is equal to 2 meters. So then x is equal to 2 into cross multiplying 2 into 2, that equal to 4 meters. That AC equal to 4 meters. And A, B, C also we know that the relation between hypotenuse and opposite side is sin theta or cosec theta. Sin 30 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. This is sin theta is equal to BC by AC. BC by AC. Theta is 30 degrees. So sin 30 is equal to BC means 2 by AC means x. And we know that sin 30 is 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by x. Then x and cross multiplying x equal to 4 meters. The length of the slide is 4 meters. Fourth question. Length of the shadow of 15 meters high pole is 15√3 meters at 8 o'clock in the morning. Then what is the angle of elevation of the sun ray with the ground at the time? The pole length of the shadow of 15 meter height pole. This is the height of the pole 15 meters. Its shadow is AB, that is 15 root 3 meters. And we have to find that angle of this elevation. We know that the pole height BC is equal to 15 meters and AB is equal to 15 root 3 meters. The relation between AB and BC is tan theta. We can write this tan theta. Now look at here. This is A, B, C. Height of the pole, that is BC, equal to 15 meters. And the length of the shadow, that is AB, is equal to 15 root 3. This is AB. And angle is theta. A, B, C. We know that AB is equal to that shadow 15 root 3 and BC height of the pole, that is 15 meters. Now angle BAC is equal to theta. The relation between these two is tan theta is equal to 15 by 15 root 3. 15 by 15, 15 cancel, that equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 means tan theta is equal to tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. So theta is equal to 30 degrees. The angle of elevation. The angle is 30 degrees. Now this tan theta equal to 15 by 15 root 3. 15 get cancelled, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 we can write tan 30. Therefore theta equal to 30. The angle of elevation of sun rays with the ground is 30 degrees. You want to erect a pole of height 10 meters with the support of 3 ropes. Each rope has to make an angle 30 degrees with the pole. What should be the length of the rope? Here is the pole. We have 3 ropes, like 1, like 2, another one is here. So this is the ground. This is also ground. So these 3 are the triangle, right angle triangles. Here is 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. And the height of the pole, this pole height is 10 meters. This is the rope X, and where A, B, C, T, E. AB is a rope, BC is also rope, and BE is also one rope. The height of the pole is 10 centimeters. So height is A, B, C, D, E. Height of the pole, that is BD equal to 10 meters. And AB, the rope, let the length of the rope, each rope is X meters, that is AB is equal to BC is equal to BE. These 3 are the length of the rope, each rope. The angle made by the rope with the pole is 30 degrees. Now take three triangles are there: A, B, C, D and E. From A, B, D triangle, we can write it's a ABD, A, AD, B. So here is right angle. Its height is 10 centimeters and here is 30 degrees. We need to find AB. AB equal to X. We know that from this ABD triangle, where AB is equal to X meters and BD is equal to BD is equal to 10 meters and angle is DBA is equal to 30 degrees. The relation between angle adjacent side, angle hypotenuse, adjacent side and hypotenuse is cos theta or sec theta. We can write sec 30 degrees is equal to sec theta is adjacent side hypotenuse by adjacent side, x by 10. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3 is equal to x by 10. Sec 30 is equal to x by 10. 30 is 2 by root 3, that equal to x by 10. X equal to 10 into 2 by root 3. 10 into 2 by root 3, 20 by root 3. This is the value of x. And we need to find the three ropes AB and BC also same. From the figure cos 30 is equal to 10 by x. Root 3 by 2 equal to 10 by x. X equal to 10 root 2. 10 into 2 by root 3. 20 by root 3. The length of each rope is 20 by root 3. That means root 3 is equal to into root 3 by root 3. Rationalizing this is equal to 20 root 3 by 3. Total length of the rope is 3 times 20 by root 3. 20 root 3 meters. 20 into 1.732. 34.64 answer. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of the building, a height of 6 meters, and target on the ground at an angle of depression of 60 degrees. What is the distance between you and the object? This is a building. Its height is 6 meters. The angle of depression is 60 degrees. So it is equal to angle of elevation 60 x meters. Now this AB equal to 6 meters. AC is equal to x meters and angle is 60. Opposite side by hypotenuse, that is sin theta. Sin 60 is equal to, we can write opposite side by x. Height of the building 6 meters. Angle of depression, angle of elevation at the ground 60 degrees. Alternative interior angles x 6 and 60 degrees. Let the distance of the target from the shooting point x meters. Then from the figures, sin 60 equal to opposite side by this 6 by x. Sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2, that equals 6 by x, where x equal to 16 to 2 by root 3. 6 into root 3 into root 3 into 2, 4 into 3 by root 3, 4 by root 3, 2 plus 4, 4, root 3 into, 2 into 2 into root 3 into root 3, this is 3, and 3 4s are 12 by root 3, 1 root 3 is cancelled, 4 root 3 is the answer. Distance for the root 3 meters, that equals 6.928 meters.